Hi, my name is Sue Solier, and I'm currently a student of Lawrence Akers' course, Recording for Hypnotherapists. And I just wanted to let you know that if you're thinking of doing this course and you're not sure, you're on the fence, let me tell you that it is a fantastic course to do that shows you step by step, very slowly, easily, very specifically in small bite-sized chunks, how you can put together a recording that sounds very professional, one that you can add if you choose background music, binaural beats, even subliminal messages if that's what you're into. So the course is well worth its investment in time. And let me tell you that Lawrence, as the teacher, leader of the program, he's very passionate, kind, caring, considerate. He's there to give you a hand. He definitely gives way above and beyond what you would expect. And so therefore, part of me says, don't do this course because that's more competition for me. And the other part says, no, get onto it. We need as many people as we can creating recordings that will help people, especially during these trying times. Hope to see you on the other side with your first recording, as I'm looking forward to doing too. Bye.